Welcome back, guys. How you all doing today? Thank you all for all the support. Truly appreciate each and every one. Today, guys, I'm out here naturally trying to get my vegetables preserved. So these I'm sunning these because I really want the seed from them. So I'm sunning them, and then I'm gonna put them in a bag that they can get air and just leave them there so I can get the seed, and I also can preserve the pepper in a dry way. We also have bell pepper here, and these bell pepper, what we're going to do with these bell pepper, we're going to cut all of them up and freeze them. That's how we're going to preserve them, because we have so much bell pepper coming. We have to figure out how we're going to preserve them. So some of them we're going to cut them and freeze them, while some of them we're going to blend them up with a little vinegar and store them in our refrigerator, or you could also store them in a a pantry or something. These are the edibles them that they actually dry now. And what I have it into, I have it in a crate. So in the crate, you know, the air can come from the side and also from the bottom and from the top. So we have a lot of edibles here. This box here also, they start drying. So we have them in the sun because we want to make sure that they dry. So we ain't got to get no